Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you what to do when you have a problem with your Google Play Store stuck on padding on your VIVO Y36. In the first step, we try to install something from Google Play Store. It can be Duolingo maybe. But we can do it because it's stuck in padding. To fix it, we must go back to main menu and navigate to the setting. Scroll down to the system and now date and time, where we must switch on option set time automatically. And now we can go back to the Google Play Store and try install, and it would working right now, and it is installing. Thanks for watching, bye!